Okay, in this section 4.15, we are going to actually graphing a linear equation, straight line equation. But first of all, we use the checkpoint number 6, page 230. That is the example there. Graph this linear equation. First of all, obviously, we build a table. First part is x, y, this is y. So the simplest one, the table would be just two columns without the third column, which is fine. Just follow the 4.14 that build a table. The principle of this is to find the easiest point, since these are both are a whole number, which is quite straightforward. But you still want to concentrate on 0, like a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 points to graph is quite enough to graph a line. So, for example, so 0 here, 0, 2 times 0 plus minus 2, you get 0 minus 2, so negative 2. The first point. The second point you want, so 2 times 1 minus 2 equal 2 minus 2 is 0. That's 0. And next one, 2 times 2 minus 2 is 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's 2 here. Next one, 2 times 3 minus 2 is 6 minus 2 is 4. It's 4. And next one, 2 times 4 minus 2. It's 8 minus 2 would be 6. So 4 or 5 or 6 points, that's quite enough to graph a line. So we begin to graph this line. First of all, a graph paper will be look like this. Origin right here, x-axis, y-axis. So find this point. 0, negative 2, right here. The second point, 1, 0, right here. The third point, 2, 2, 2, 2. So as you can expect, these should be on the straight line. If anything out of the line, you need to check your number. Maybe algebra is wrong. So next one, 3, 4. 3, 4 will be here. And 4, 6. 4, 5, 6, right here. So these are 5 of the points. So next step is to use a ruler. Ruler to connect that straight line. Okay, put an arrow on both ends. This is how we graph these linear equation. This is our first example. Next example, we want to check. We want to do the checkpoint number 7, page 231. We graph y equal 1/2 and plus 2. This is a slightly more difficult level than the first one. So we're going to erase this part right here. This one, we have a fraction. To graph the fraction, we need to be careful not to, we need to be choose a number good enough to make the whole number for this, and then add another whole number will make the number very easy to graph. Okay? So the point is to get rid of the fraction here. You want to choose all the multiple of 2. 0, for example, 0 is good. Next one, you probably want to choose 2 and 4 and 6. On the negative side, you want to choose negative 2, negative 4. These 4 points, 5 points, probably very good. So first of all, you want to choose the multiple of this fraction, denominator of 2, and still close enough to the 0. So for 0, so 0 is 2. 0 here, that's a 0 here, that's a 2. Quite straightforward. You don't even need to write it. The next one, you choose 2s, and 2 times 1/2. No, like this. 1/2 times 2 is x equal to plus 2. So this 2 is cancelled. That's 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. Next one, you choose 4. So 1/2 times 4 plus 2. As you can see, this part is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. That's 4. Next one, well, you can use 6, but since we choose -2, let's see. 1/2 times -2 plus 2. There'll be -1 here plus 2. That will be 1. Positive 1 here. And next one, you use -4. So 1/2 times -4 plus 2. On this side, you get 1, -2 be 0. You can see 0. Okay. Once our table or number of order pair is ready here, we can graph. Erase this, erase here, erase here. And graphing paper look like this. Then we're ready to graph 0, -0, positive 2 right here. The first point, 2, 3. 2, 3 will be right here. 4, 4. 4, 4 should be on the straight line. And the -2 will be 1. -2, 1 here, as you can see, that's still on the straight line. -4 will be 0. So probably on your exam, or your paper exam, you probably like to label about 2 or 3 points. These are 2 points. Okay, don't label all of them. Just label 2 or 3. And the last step is connect these 5 points using a ruler. Make it as good as possible. Don't make it like a curve. This is okay, good enough. So these 5 points will make a straight line for this problem. That's how you handle the fraction problem. Fraction problem to graph. Okay, you always choose the good number to be multiple of this denominator and still small enough. Then your graph will concentrate.